Hey guys, Scott with G Reviews here. You in the market for a car cover? I got just the thing for you. Stay tuned. Here with me, guys, I have the Audu, I think that's how you say it, Audu all-weather car cover. It says 6 layers of protection. It says breathable, waterproof, dustproof, and UV protection for your car. I just moved here to the beautiful state of Massachusetts, and I've got a Q50 and I have a Corolla. Now the Corolla my wife's going to be using a lot, back and forth to the train stop every day, so probably using that a lot. In the wintertime we might not use the Q50 as much, so I wanted to get some good protection for it. So what we're going to do today is going to go ahead and look over this car cover, kind of put it on the car, see how it fits, and we can kind of go from there. But on the ad it says it fits up to 190-inch vehicles. So again, Q50 is a mid-size luxury car, and then the Corolla obviously is pretty compact. But it says it's got a reflective strip for night. It's got this nice storage bag. It does say windproof on it as well, because it has a strap that goes under the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward here, and I'll show you guys me actually put it on the car. Well, here is my Q50 with the car cover installed. Now, as you can see, it certainly fits the car fine. It fits, obviously it's a little bit baggy, especially in the middle, which I'm a little concerned about. I mean, it's very baggy in the middle. Now, I thought that it was gonna have the strap right in the middle, which it doesn't. It has a strap in the front, and there's a strap in the back. So I thought maybe it was gonna have a strap in the middle, which it doesn't. And that's, to me, a little concerning because it's very loose. It's very loose in the middle. I don't think it can necessarily fly away, because it is strapped into the front, and it's pretty tight on the front. But I'll go ahead and just do a walk around so I can actually show you the cover all the way around. Alright, so we're just going to do a quick walk around. Again, here's the front of the car. Fits pretty well here. You can see these reflective strips. It fits very well on the mirrors, but again, as you can see, there's a little bit of wind, and the middle part is pretty, it's pretty baggy down here. As you can see, it just kind of flows in the wind. But again, this is the Q50, and you have the strap down here for the back of the car. The back of the car looks fine again, but as you can see, it does look pretty loose. But we'll see. I mean, again, if it protects the car, if it does what it says it's going to do, then it's totally worth it. So again, this is how it fits on the Q50. So again, you can see there's not a lot of wind, and there's not a ton of wind right now, but I'm pretty sure in terms of the length of it, it's kind of stretching it a little bit. Certainly there is some extra room in the back of this, but it's not a ton, so I don't think you could get much longer of a vehicle in there than the Q50. We'll go ahead and toss this thing on the Corolla and just see what it looks like. Alright guys, and here is what it looks like on the Corolla. Again, this is a 2016 Corolla L. Not that the model really matters, they're all exactly the same size. But again, this is a little bit smaller of a car than the Q50 in terms of the length. So as you can see, I mean, there's quite a bit of extra material. But again, that's just kind of part of being a universal type cover. It's got quite a lot of extra material there. Again, I think in a high wind situation, I don't know, it may come off, I'm not sure. Again, I mean, as long as you get those straps right, it shouldn't come off. But again, it is pretty loose on the Corolla. It's a little bit better on the Q50, but again, that is that is the car cover. I think it's certainly one to consider. I think it's about $65. It's got the reflectors. The material itself does feel good. It's a very thick material. I'm not sure about 6 layers, but first layer is definitely reflective. And the bottom layer is kind of like a, I'm not gonna say a felt material, but it is one that I think is gonna be a little bit easier on the paint than maybe some others. Anyway, verdict, I would say it's a good car cover for the price. Certainly there are ones that maybe fit the cars better, but again, those would be kind of custom for each car. But for kind of a generic car cover, I think it'll do the job. All right, this has been Skyward G Reviews. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, guys.